Alright guys, welcome back to my trailer today. And today, after I don't even know how long, like 2-3 months, finally got the toon shaded Toro Loco. I don't know why this one was so difficult to find. Toon shaded guys, there it is, Toro Loco. Pretty cool. So this case, Mix 45 is complete, onto Mix 46, Real Chucks, Real Action Monster Jam. Pretty nice. Collect them all. And package look. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I like this one. I love how it looks sketched. Like, I love it. Like, it looks like it's drawn. Nose ring, it's the new casting, the thin casting. Black sketch lines, the nose ring, the longer horns, the top of the horns. Like a dark orange, brownish roll cage, white chassis, white rims and beadlocks, orange tires. El Toro Loco Monster Jam logo. Of course, Toro Loco, monsterjam.com, El Toro Loco. Pretty cool. I actually like this one. It's pretty nice. So this case is complete, guys. On to the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Has more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.